Okay, this is construction number 2. Draw a line perpendicular to the given point, to the given line through a point. This is pretty much the same as the last one, but it's not going to be the midpoint. So the key property here is it creates a 90-degree angle anywhere on a line. So if you remember on the last one, it created a 90-degree angle at the middle of the line. Well, now we're going to create a 90-degree angle somewhere else. I didn't write the steps, so please go ahead and pause the video and write down the steps. Okay, now that you've written down the steps, let's go through how to do it. Place the compass at R, and by that they mean the needle, using any width. So I'm going to change the width of the compass. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, and I'm having trouble, so I'm going to loosen it. I'm not going to force it. I'm going to make the compass a little bit smaller. You can rotate it kind of like this, and then don't over tighten it. Okay, so place the needle of the compass at R and draw 2 arcs, one to the left and one to the right. So I'm going to draw an arc here. Remember, I'm not moving the compass, I'm moving the paper. And keeping the same width, draw an arc to the right. Just light pressure is fine. Keep holding the needle side, you don't hold the side of the pencil. Alright, let's label those points of intersection as A and B. Alright, so now what we're going to do is place the compass at A, open the compass a little more than halfway to B. So keeping the compass here at A, let's open it up. You can open it by twisting the circle a little more than halfway to B, so I'm going to keep it that width. Don't let it slip. We need to draw 2 arcs. So needle at A, don't hold it straight up and down, hold it off to the side. Draw an arc below, and then you want to have an arc above. And again, sorry, it's better to actually move the paper. Light pressure. Without changing the width, move to point B. Draw 2 arcs again. Move the paper. Light pressure. Don't force it down. Okay. We'll call this point at the top X, point at the bottom Y. And if we did this right, these 3 points should all be in a line. Looks like we did. So we have now generated a 90-degree angle. And again, what's special about this is this 90-degree angle is not in the middle of the line. Now it's just at some random point somewhere on the line. Alright, now what you're going to do is pause the video. Try it again, this one sideways. Give it a shot. Okay, so those steps again, you want to place your compass at R. And you want to change the width a little bit. I'm going to shrink mine down by twisting it inward. Okay, and holding the needle side, I'm going to draw 2 arcs. Twist my paper so there's an arc below point R. And then without changing the width, there should be a point above R. I'll label those points A and B. Okay, now what I'm going to do is placing my compass at A, I'm going to open it up so it's a little more than halfway. And that should be fine. Right there. And I'll draw an arc so that there's an arc on one side of the line, twisting the paper, draw an arc on the other side of the line. Don't let the compass change width and move it to point B. Keeping it the same width, draw an arc on each side of the line. So you're going to have 2 points of intersection. You can call it X and Y. and we connect it all. It makes a 90-degree angle.